Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is Dr. Samir from eJust. Actually, in this tutorial, I am going to show you some important information that you should know about regarding the online lecture. Whenever you are conducting online lecture, namely, you are going to see how to see the attendance of the students and how to change the role of the student to present to the whole set of students. And actually the other thing that we are going to see is how to force the English or Arabic interface for the online lecture interface. So let's start. The first thing that we have to do, as you know, we have to start course sites and then sign in to register to sign in actually, and then we have to provide our username and password. And the next thing is that we have to go to our list of courses, and these all are my favorite courses. Okay, so let's start one of the courses. Let's start this one, for example. Okay, so as you can see, I have created online lectures, virtual classrooms, etc. So let's take this one. The first thing that we have to see is how to make the automatic attendance of any of the sessions. So as we have seen before, but I'll do it again, in order to make the attendance be registered by the session automatically, let us create a session and name it test session here like this, and you can see that the session now is created. You have join session is activated so that I can join, and whenever I join I will be joining as moderator. However, the student will see this also, but the student will join as participant, and we have seen that we can copy this link and share it with the student and others actually. So anyone have this link can attend the session without having to be enrolled student in this course. So let's scroll back, because we have explained all this. The most important thing is that we have to activate attendance reporting. So let's do it like that, and then you can fine-tune these values as you wish. So now we have a session, and you can see that it is in bold. That means that it is in progress. That means that anyone can join it. Even students here can, or participant here, or all the users here can join this session. So once we do that, and at the end of the session, you may need to know the list of the students who have participated in the online lecture. So in order to do that, actually, we have to go here, okay, or instead of showing all upcoming sessions, all we have to do is all previous sessions. So as you can see, the system displayed all the previous sessions. Okay, so let me take this session, actually training lecture for eJust students, that was ended in at this time actually. So you can see these three dots here. This will display more options. If you click on this, you can edit the session settings and delete the session, or copy guest link so that other guests can, or other users can join the session if you would like to change it again. But what is important for us now is view reports. So if you click on view reports, you will see this report, because this section, as you can see, actually this session has been attended by 160 attendees. Okay, and you can see the duration, it is almost 2 hours. And if you click on view reports, you will see the full detailed reports, as you can see. So for example, Saif has been participated as guest from this time to this time, and the total participation time is this amount of time, just 2 minutes. But this one, Rana Muhammad, has participated in the session totally of 1 hour and 6 minutes. Okay, so you can actually view the join details, because this user have joined the session several times, and you have the full details of this. Okay, and you can go from page to another in order to see the list, the remaining list of participants or students. One important feature actually is that you can export the report into printable, that means that PDF or so, or export it to CSV Excel file. So let us do it this. So as you can see, the system has generated a really very good and nice report. Okay, and this you can print this report. So training lecture for or just a student report, which is started in this time, from this time to this time, and then you can print it, print as PDF or print it as whatsoever. If I wish, actually save as PDF. Okay, and send it to the student affair to follow, to mark the attendance of the students, depending upon the criteria that is that would, for example, this one actually shouldn't be attended because he just attended 2 minutes, so student affairs should exclude him or consider him as absent. Okay, however, this one actually, as she has attended more than 1 hour, so this is actually a student affair matter. But the most important thing for us is that we can know all the details of all the attendees during this the lecture. The next thing that I'm going to show you, actually, as you have seen some previously we have whenever I join, let's actually filter by upcoming sessions. So you have seen this test session. Test session now is in progress. So I'll try to join it. Just in order to join, just I'm clicking on this, and as you can see here, the interface is completely in English. The interface of the online lecture is completely in English. So if you like it and you would like to keep it in English, it's now fine for you. However, sometime you may find it in a different language. So as you can see, everything now is in English, purely in English. So how to set it to force it to be English, or to force it to be Arabic if you would like, or Japanese, or whatsoever if you wish. So in order to do that, it's not from Blackboard. You will not find an option to force Blackboard, the online lecture interface, to be in a specific language. However, actually, as I told you, it is recommended to use Chrome for contacting online lecture from the instructor. So it's actually Chrome issue. So you have to go to the customization or the menu of Chrome, and then settings. Okay, and just here type language. Okay, so you will see that language is English. Click on this. You will see that this is actually the language. If you put English in the top, so the interface of the online lecture Blackboard Collaborate will be in English. If you put the Arabic on the top, so the interface will be completely in Arabic. So in order to do that, just click. Let's say that I'd like to join and show the interface in Arabic. So all I have to do is to move the Arabic to be the top here in the list. And once I do that, everything now, and you don't have to save anything, it is saved automatically from Chrome browser. Okay, and now let me leave the session. Actually, again, to leave the session we have to go from here, and let's say that it is excellent, because it is really excellent, Blackboard. And now it is off. Let me try to join it again. Join session. As you can see, the interface now is completely in Arabic, right? So everything is in Arabic, and all the information is completely in Arabic. Okay, so we have seen how to do that. Again, it is just from the settings from Chrome, and let me make it back to be in English. So I go to the menu of Chrome and type language here, and click on this and make this to be at the bottom, move down, and move it another time to be down. So Arabic now is there. Click on this and leave the session because I don't want to have it in Arabic.